English teacher.
Hi, friends! Today, we're going to practice some English using a technique called shadowing. Hi, little sister! Hi, how are you? I'm good. And you? How are you feeling? I feel happy today. I have news. Guess what? What is it? Tell me. I got a job. I'm a babysitter now. No way. That's so cool. Who are you babysitting? His name is Tommy. He is 5 years old. He is so sweet. Aw, really? Yes. We watch cartoons together. I help him with homework, and we play games. That sounds so fun. It is. His parents are amazing, too. I like them a lot. Wow, you sound so happy with this job. Yes, I love it. And I start thinking maybe I want to study to be a teacher one day. That is awesome. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. But hey, wait a second. I saw your photo on Instagram. That bag looks like mine. What? Which one? The small black Chanel? Yes, that one. I think you borrowed it. Haha, no way. I found it in my room, so now it's mine. No. That bag is one of my favorites. Be careful with it. Okay. I'll take care of it. Don't worry. Good girl. I miss you so much. I miss you too. Send kisses to Mom and Dad. I will. We need to wait for the holidays. Then we can be together again. Yes, I can't wait. Me too. Bye. Love you. Love you. Bye.
Second part, you will talk to me as if you were my sister.
Hi, little sister. I'm good. And you? How are you feeling? What is it? Tell me. No way. That's so cool. Who are you babysitting? Aw, really? That sounds so fun. Wow, you sound so happy with this job. That is awesome. I'm so proud of you. But hey, wait a second. I saw your photo on Instagram. That bag looks like mine. Yes, that one. I think you borrowed it. No. That bag is one of my favorites. Be careful with it. Good girl. I miss you so much. Send kisses to Mom and Dad. Yes, I can't wait. Love you. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time, my friends. Bye.